Christian Church. Miss you guys. Hope to see you real soon in church, okay? Stay safe. Love you all. Take care. Bye. See you soon.
No.
Hey guys, it's been a really couple of months that have been pretty hard on us, okay? But we're coming and we're getting closer and closer to the day where we can see each other in real life. And let me tell you something, I miss that with all my heart. And I hope that all of you just hang in there because it's coming, okay? And we love you. God bless.
Hi everyone! Just thought I'd share something with you. That's a Bible verse that's helped me through this. It comes from Isaiah 26:3. You will keep the one that trusts in you in perfect peace. It's helped me a lot through this whole ordeal, and I keep saying it every time I start getting anxious. I tell it to myself. So I hope it helps you. I miss you. Bye.
Hi everyone. I miss you all so much. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and I miss our praise and worship time and our fellowship time and Sunday school and our Bible studies, and I just hope you're all staying well. As Paul said in his letter to the Philippians, I thank my God in all my remembrance of you. Love you all. Bye.
Hey friends, our brothers and sisters, we miss you guys so much. It's getting old, this Zoom stuff, but hey, we'll be back in no time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Know we're praying for you, and we love you so much. God bless you all. Love you guys. I really miss everybody so much. I can't wait till this whole thing is over. We can all get back together. I'm praying for you. Stay safe and healthy, and God bless you all.
Hi Glen Cove! I miss you guys. I'm so excited to kind of see you in person right now. But I hope you're singing from home. It's not as fun as singing with you guys in church, but we'll be together soon. Stay strong. We love you guys. Happy quarantine!
Hey, Glen Cove Christian Church, we love you, we miss you, we can't wait to be back in the building and be able to see you again. Until then, continue in the faith, continue to grow in your spiritual walk, and we will see you very soon. Love you guys.
Guys, we miss you guys so much. We are so excited that hopefully soon we'll be back together. We miss you.